If you like motorcycles and have mechanical ability, think about becoming a motorcycle mechanic. You'll assemble and work on motorcycles and other handlebar all-terrain vehicles. To get up to speed, we talked with a motorcycle mechanic.
Hi, my name's Will Daly, and I'm a motorcycle mechanic. I service and repair new and used motorcycles, and also we customize and build engines. As a motorcycle technician, we will do everything from the easy stuff like oil changes and tire changes to doing complete engine rebuilds and complete custom motorcycles. My typical day at the Harley shop starts off at about 9 o'clock in the morning. It starts off with me going to the foreman and getting your new job, getting your bike on your lift. From there, we decipher what the problem is. These are two wheels that we deal with, so these are people's lives at risk. So we want to make sure that we're doing excellent job in being very diligent in the parts that we take off and making sure that they're installed correctly. When a customer comes with a concern, my job is to diagnose his issues and rectify the concerns. You do not want to fix the symptom, we want to fix the problem. The typical safety equipment we use during the day would be glasses, hearing protection, gloves, and steel-toe boots. Typically, someone in this trade will end up working in a shop environment 95% of the time. You know, you're not really that dirty. We're not getting covered in oil. We want to keep the floors clean. We want to keep the shop clean. A clean shop is generally a more efficient shop. The typical tools we use during a day would be our motorcycle lift is our most important tool. And then we have wrenches, screwdrivers, air tools, torque wrenches, basically all the typical tools that a mechanic will need. As a motorcycle technician, there are a few different ways that you can get your education done. One way is to go through the pre-employment program, whereas it's around a 30-week course. I personally started at a shop and then I signed up my apprenticeship, so I went straight to first year instead of going pre-employment.
Well, what I'm looking for is young guys that want to actually be part of this team. Like we run a pretty tight shift and everybody loves working here. I look for guys with the energy that want to move up the ladder.
There are lots of opportunities for advancement in this trade. I personally started out as the lot attendant and moved my way up to first year apprentice to second, third, and fourth year apprentices. After that, I became the lead technician in the shop. From here, I would go become the actual service manager. So becoming a general manager wouldn't be out of the question. Being the lead technician in the shop, my duties include actually fixing motorcycles, diagnosing motorcycles, dealing with customer concerns, also helping out the apprentice technicians to make sure that they're learning how to do things properly, and also making sure that the bikes are leaving here safe by taking them on a road test. The kind of person that is a motorcycle mechanic is probably the meticulous type, likes to see a finished product, takes pride in his finished product, and even pride in the steps to get there. You also have to always evolve. You always have to be able to learn. I learn every day. I've been in this trade for 13 years now, and there's not a day goes by that I don't learn anything. Basically, my motto is, if you don't learn something, you just wasted your day. Usually the most challenging aspects of motorcycle mechanic is going to be anything that's electrical. Electrical problems can throw you for a loop. Sometimes it's very stressful if you can't figure it out and you think you should be able to. The best part about that is once you figure it out once, you're good to go. You've learned that lesson for next time. Every day there are technological advances which brings a higher understanding of computers and electronics into the mix. If you aren't willing to learn that, then you're going to get left in the dust. The aspects of my job that I really like are the fact that I get to work with my hands. I get to turn, something that's plain and ordinary, like a stock motorcycle, into a custom piece where people actually really look at it and, ooh and ah over it. Also, there's the fact where travelers come in broke down on their holidays. Those guys we want to keep back on the road. I'll stay late to fix their motorcycles and just to make sure that they continue on their journey. What I would say to somebody looking into getting into motorcycle mechanics is it's a great career. I have fun every day. I love my job. I haven't come to work saying, oh, I got to go to work and, grumpy. I love my job. I wake up every morning. I like coming to work. I like the people I work with. I like the product that I work with. I've been here for 13 years already, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to be here for another 30.
Motorcycle mechanic is a compulsory trade, so you'll need to find an employer who's willing to train an apprentice. You'll train for 4 12-month periods that include both on-the-job training and technical training. Discover more about this occupation, such as educational requirements and salary ranges, in the occupational profile on the ALICE website, and learn about related occupations like automotive service technician or outdoor power equipment technician. Make the most of your future. Go to alice.alberta.ca.